Now if you've got no signal from your satellite dish, it could be because your cable or your box isn't connected correctly. So the first thing I'm doing here to show you how to connect the connector. What you do first of all is remove the outer insulation and twist together the braid. That's the earthing section. Make sure it doesn't touch the middle section, and then twist off the inner insulation like so, and then just screw on the F connectors. Screw it on as far as you can possibly go, and when you've done that, cut down the excess of the inner core, and then screw on the F connectors. These are a certain size, so you have to make sure you get the right ones. When you've done that, trim the inner core, and then if you do need to put these barrel links on, you simply screw them on like so, and away you go. Job done. Shouldn't take you any more than a minute or so. Thank you for watching. If you could, please like, share and subscribe.